Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chris in New Jersey on this Galaxy DX95 T2. Chris got it ready to go for you, but let me say something first. Had a lot of radios come through here. These 95 T2s are kind of getting hard to get a hold of. This is a really beautiful radio. It was a Virgin inside, had never had nothing done to it other than the modulation turned up in the carrier set. So if I was you, bud, I'd hang on to this one, okay? So RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. I set it down to 4. That way if you decide to run an amplifier, you have full adjustability. And it rolls up to 20. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 40-watt carrier. Check 1, 2. Hello. About 70 bird, which is 7 times what it was doing when it came in here per the private video I sent you. 250-watt slug. Hello. 250 watts in the corner, no problem. Alright, Chris, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bum bum.